All right, y'all. Welcome back. This is part three of the four-part series. Well, I was going to do four parts, but I think I'm going to go ahead and end the video, in the series here. I think it still covers all the areas that need to be covered as far as growing microgreens. Let's take a look. All right, y'all. This is day three, and the germination is going really well. If y'all remember, I did plant less in this side than I did the first time. And I think I probably should have just done it the same way because it looks a little bit more sparse, but that'll be all right. I'm really, really looking forward to this popcorn side. And I already filled up some new trays, so I'm going to go ahead and plant some more today to go ahead and get them started.
Hey, to whoever may need this nugget of encouragement, things will be alright, so quit your worrying. I get it, the odds seem stacked back against the wall, but even consider it such, know you'll stand tall. Sit and watch from the sidelines one too many times.
Now, a viewer mentioned that I could use vermiculite on top of the seeds. And man, I am so happy that they mentioned that, because y'all know when I'm starting my seeds, out in the greenhouse or whatever, I use my perlite. And I use it in a TSC cup. But I could just sprinkle the perlite on top of there. Oh shoot, I didn't wet that down. Uh-oh. Now, let me sprinkle a little bit of that on top of it. Oh yeah, that's a whole lot better. So now I got broccoli and radish. And I didn't have this one on. I'm gonna leave it off. I'm gonna leave this one off so that it can go ahead and germinate. It don't need it on or off, but I'm gonna just leave it off for right now. And the one thing about this side though is that they are growing really. I mean, they look nice. They look real nice. I'm gonna see if I can pinch one off there. Oh man, yeah, that's got a lot of flavor to it. Obviously, it doesn't have the kick of the arugula, but that's gonna be really good right there. That's gonna be really good. I'm gonna have to start bottom watering over there. Just put it underneath there like that. And it's gonna suck it right on up. But all right, so that's day three. So we'll come back maybe in a couple days, and we'll wrap this video up for the third video. Now, also what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and do it right now. Well, yeah, since I have these right here, I may start, let me do this. I'm gonna start 2 more of the broccoli, because I like broccoli. I'm just gonna fill up that one right there. And then I'm gonna fill up this one. I'm just gonna do the the broccoli. Because I want to show y'all, I might have to get some more here soon. I want to show y'all that y'all don't need this fancy setup right here. Not that it's fancy, but I'm going to stick this one in the south facing window. And I'm going to show y'all how easy it is to grow just sitting it in the windowsill instead of having grow lights and all that stuff. All right, well, I'm gonna stick them right here in this window, just like that. And I'm gonna grow them out right here so y'all can see. So this is a south facing window right here. And so y'all should be able to see that that's all you need. Just something to hold your seeds and your soil in, cover them up, put them in a window. So we're gonna test this out. We'll be back in a few days to show you the progress. Now, oh, before I do that, so the one thing that you will have to do with this, because them being in this window, they're gonna wanna grow toward the window because they grow toward the light. So every day, you're gonna have to come in here and turn it around just like that. And then it'll grow back in the other direction and whatnot. So you gotta keep doing that. Sometimes I just turn it a quarter turn like that and let it grow. And hopefully Alice don't mess with it. Hopefully Alice don't mess with it, and I'll be able to show y'all how that's doing in a couple days. All right, y'all, so it's been several days. As you can see, the ones that I put by the window, they are growing, and this is kind of what I wanted to show you. You can see how they're leaning all to the side. So every day you have to come in and turn them, and then they'll grow back the other way over there. So just goes to show you that if you wanted to grow microgreens, you do not need an elaborate setup. You could just put them in the window and that's it. So this is what we have now. I'm gonna harvest these today. I went ahead and did some more of the corn as well. And I mean, it's all looking great. So this is 7 days of growth right here. So like I said, 7 days, you can grow out some microgreens. Every 3 to 4 days, I'm gonna be planting a whole nother tray. And I think that's pretty daggone cool. All right, well, hey, for those who watched the series, I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. I know that I've been learning something. You know what? I got to show y'all something. So this morning, I went and picked some herbs, and I'm gonna lay them out here to dry. This is thyme, and this is sage right here. I'm gonna pop it up on the screen, but I also made some tinctures, or started some tinctures with thyme, sage, and what was it? Stevia. Stevia was the other one. So, yeah, I'm looking forward to, starting to use my herbs the way that I should. Be on the lookout for a video about herbs coming up soon. So y'all let me know in the comments, though, if y'all want a video about herbs. Because if y'all don't want it, I don't want to bring it to you, okay? So y'all let me know. And yeah, let me close this video out. All right, y'all, like I was saying before, I hope you learned something. I know I've been learning a lot, and man, I'm hooked. And so super easy to grow microgreens. Y'all let me know if this series got you into growing some microgreens. Perfect time. We're going into the fall. You can grow them all winter long, so you can have fresh greens all winter long. Y'all, game changer. So anyway, hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed making the videos. It didn't really get the reach that I thought it would. I guess a lot of people aren't interested in microgreens, but some of you did say that you were happy that I was doing microgreen video or series here. So, but I think that in the 3 videos, I think I was able to display, you know, how everything goes and what the process is. So y'all have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next video.